What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming at you from SVBimmer. That X3M sounds pretty quiet for a competition model, doesn't it? That's exactly why we're going to upgrade the exhaust system and bring some life into that X3M. Now, an exhaust upgrade is definitely something that we would consider a beginner level DIY project, but not the easiest DIY project in the world because there is a little bit of cutting involved. So if this isn't your forte, feel free to take it to your mechanic. If you don't have a mechanic and are located in the Bay Area, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. Our contact information is going to be down in the description. Now, if you are that weekend warrior who's going to get this job done in your garage or in your driveway, you can expect to be rewarded with about 7 horsepower, 9 foot-pounds of additional torque, and a reduction of 20 pounds. And that is how you know the Clara from Akrapovic is a premium exhaust system. And they kind of have to be, right? Because Akrapovic actually used to make exhaust systems for BMW. But bonus points for those of you who can tell us which BMWs down in the comment section below. Now, if you're somebody who watched our last video of the M Performance exhaust with the equal length mid pipes from Active AutoWorks and you like that sound, but you're not someone who wants to adjust the mid pipes on your X3M competition, then maybe this exhaust system is for you. So make sure to stick around to the end so that you can hear those before and after sound clips. Boom! Now that is definitely one of the more mature sounding exhaust systems in my personal opinion. By that, I mean that it has that deep growl that any enthusiast would love, but it's not too over the top. It doesn't have that high raspy sound that kind of gets on people's nerves. And if you're wondering what this is actually the M Performance rear spoiler. It's the perfect DIY project for anybody who's just looking to start working on their own BMWs. And if you want the video for that, it's gonna be in the link in the top right-hand corner. But if you have any questions for us on the Akrapovic, let me know how to say it down in the comment section below, and leave any questions that you have for us there as well. The description is gonna have the links for this exact exhaust system, and we'll see all of you guys in the next one.